Hi everyone. So in this video, we're going to be making my family's recipe for dressing. And we always called it dressing, not stuffing, because we don't put it into the bird. We always just made it into a casserole dish. And in our family, we don't make cornbread dressing. We make our dressing with regular white bread, and it's the cheapest white bread you can get at the grocery store. And part of the reason I wanted to make this video, and this is actually a remake of a video that I made very, very early on in my YouTube history. But since that time, I've gotten a lot more careful or a lot more comfortable with being on camera and with sharing stories and all of those types of things. But my main reason that I love cooking is because of my Mima. And one of the main holidays that we love, or actually probably the holiday that we love the most, was Thanksgiving, because Thanksgiving was when we threw down. And I remember being little and cooking with her and learning how to make all of the dishes that she made. And Thanksgiving was my absolute favorite because we would wake up super early. We would be cooking together all day long. I would be learning all of the things that she made and just soaking all of it in. And to this day, the smell of turkey takes me straight back to her kitchen in Eastern North Carolina and just makes me so happy. And part of the thing that we do in our family now is that my husband makes the turkey on Thanksgiving. He does it either smoking it or deep frying it or something like that. But we don't get gravy that way, and so we always crock pot an entire turkey to make the gravy. And it has kind of served a double purpose, because one of the things that I love the most about Thanksgiving was I didn't wake up quite as early as Mima did. And so whenever I woke up, the first smell that hit me on Thanksgiving morning was the smell of turkey cooking. And while I'm not the biggest fan of eating actual turkey, I am the biggest fan of turkey and dressing and gravy. So I don't actually want to eat the turkey, but I want the gravy and I want the dressing. And so smelling that turkey meant that Thanksgiving was there. We were going to watch the Macy's parade. We were going to drink coffee that was mostly milk for me. And it was just going to be the sweetest day of cooking with her. We were going to have potato salad. We were going to have cranberry sauce out of the can in her little dish that she had that was a rectangle. And it was just going to be a day of cooking with Mima. And to this day, Thanksgiving is my day. It's just the day that I want to do all the things and carry on all of her traditions. And it's just the most perfect day to spend time with family. And I think it's kind of the holiday that has held on to family traditions more than anything else. We're not focused on presents. We're not focused on buying things. It's not like a bunch of decorating. It's just we're going to eat food and spend time together. And so it's just super sweet and a good way to just get to know your family a little better. So this Thanksgiving, even though it's been a crazy year, even though things have been nuts, take today to just be together. And if you need a recipe for dressing that's made with bread, watch this video. And it's not one of those recipes that's going to have exact amounts. You kind of do it by feel, but I'm going to walk you through it.
Your ingredients are super simple, and these amounts are approximate, and so you're going to be doing this very much by what it looks like. But start out with a loaf of white bread, the cheapest stuff you can get, 4 cups of chicken broth, and you can use bouillon to make this or whatever you have left from the turkey, 4 eggs, a tablespoon of poultry seasoning, and some salt and pepper to taste. So to start out with, you're going to crumble your bread up and do about a 3/4 of the bread, and then you're going to pour your warm broth over top of that. Sorry for the camera angle in this one. I am using the old footage, and I was very new to the whole YouTube thing at this point in time. But you're going to pour that over top of it and kind of let it soak in. And if you are wanting to taste your batter to see if it tastes okay, save this step for later. I pretty much know how to smell it and smell whether it's right or not, but save your eggs for later if you're wanting to taste it. But you can add your eggs now. Add your poultry seasoning and salt and pepper. I add a whole lot of poultry seasoning just because that's what makes dressing taste like dressing or stuffing taste like stuffing. And then add a whole lot of pepper and a good amount of salt. If you've used bouillon that has salt in it, though, hold back on the salt a little bit. And then you're going to mix that thoroughly with your hands. It's going to be cooked though, so you don't really need to use gloves for this unless using your hands grosses you out. You can always use a spoon, but I've just found it's easier to just get in there with your hands. And then it will be pretty loose at this point if you've used the full 4 cups of broth. And so then I just kind of add bread in and work it in there. For this size casserole dish, it does take about a loaf and a half of bread, so it just kind of depends on what your family needs. That's my husband's hands popping in there to add a little bit more. And you're going to adjust your seasoning as needed, and you just want it to smell very strongly of that poultry seasoning. And if you don't quite know what you're doing, you can wait and add your eggs a little bit later and taste it. That's what Mima always did. She tasted it before she added the eggs. She definitely knew what she was doing, but she would change kind of the size of the dish she used every year. But I use the same dish every year pretty much, so I've kind of figured out what to do. But this is what your final product looks like. It's a lot softer than cornbread dressing. It takes gravy really, really well. It's our family's favorite. It's not dried out, and it's just that perfect, comforting dressing that's so good. And if you want more family stories, if you want more of these types of videos, please let me know and leave us a comment below. And this is just a quick reminder that we do have our membership levels. We'd love to have you join. If not, we'd love to have you subscribe, and we will see you next week. And I hope your Thanksgiving is absolutely incredible.